What's up, guys? We're doing the giveaways for the clubhouse auctions. Just to show you guys real quick, we got 8 giveaways here: the clear cut box, the Brodeur limited logo, Savard in the game used 8-way patch, fight strap, and pad. $30 PayPal, Morant optic rookie, Hannafin Young Gun canvas, Fabry rookie auto, and a Gusev Young Gun. So we are gonna go live at 4:05. It is 4:05. We got the name list here. We got Kyle up top and Jeff on the bottom. We're going to go 3 times, guys. Good luck. 1, 670 bids without MNum. MNum wanted to be taken out. 2, and good luck, y'all. 3. Boom. Dave Kosh with the clear cut box. Kyle, limited logos. Aaron, you got yourself in there a couple times, so pretty much the top guys who had in all the bids. So Dave, you got the clear cut box. Kyle, you got the Brodeur limited logos. Wes, the Savard in the game used. Aaron, you got $30 PayPal, sir, and the Morant optic rookie. Lou, you got the Hannafin Young Gun canvas. Aaron, you got the Fabry ultimate rookie auto, and Dave, the Gusev Young Gun.